Happy birthday, Mom. Although it pains me not to be able to send you flowers or even call you on your special day, but I am a strong woman because a strong woman raised me. I will turn this desperation into power and fight for you until you're free. I love you, Mom.
Happy birthday, Mom.
We really miss you and we love you.
Stay strong. We can't wait to see you. Your grandkids can't wait to see you. We pray for the day that we all reunite once again.
We will not give up until we get to see you again.
Gulshan, happy birthday. I miss you and I can't wait to hear that you are being free.
Happy birthday, Gulshan. We all miss you. May Allah protect you and we are praying for you.
Qadrli Gulshan, bugungi tug'ilgan kuningizda biz bilan birga bo'lishingiz kerak edi. 2018 sentabrda begunoh tutildingiz. Siz erkinlikka chiqqan qadar qilayotgan aktiv faoliyatlarimni hargiz to'xtatmayman. Tajovuzchi Xitoy hukumati gunohsiz Gulshan Adamni va gunohsiz millionlarcha Uyg'urlarni darhol qo'yib.
Happy birthday, Aunt Gulshan. We miss you and we love you. Your daughters are fighting hard to bring you home. Stay strong. We'll see you soon.
Happy birthday, Uncle Shan. While we are not celebrating together in person, you remain in our hearts. We hope to see you again soon and will never lose hope.
Happy birthday, Gushapa. We miss you so much. We can't wait to reunite it with you again. Tuğlan gününüz mübarek olsun.
Happy birthday, Aunt Gulshan. We miss you so much and we think about you every day. Hopefully we'll see you soon. We love
Happy birthday, Gulshan Abbas. You were wrongfully detained. Hopefully we will see you soon. Tuğlan gününüzge mübarek olsun Gulshan Abba. Siz bilen karışış için karaş kılınır.